luto na yung aking togi. Oh, di ba? Ang dali niyang maluto. Madali talaga itong maluto. Tapos nagtutubig siya ng sarili niya. So you don't need to put water on it. Ganoon naman ata talagang togi. May sarili siyang water. Ayan o. Nakikita nyo? Ayan. Baka magpag yung ano ko. Ayan o. Diba? Tapos, galunggong. And happy na ako doon. Tapos, brown rice. Konti lang. Okay na. Sausawan na may sili, na toyo, o kaya patis, o kaya suka. Okay na sa akin yun. Buhay na si ate. Okidoki. See you later. Ayan na. Nagluluto na ako ng tinapa galunggong dito ako sa labas. Ang ganda ng araw, oh. In fairness, ngayong araw lang na ito gumanda ang araw. The other days not. That's my cherries. That's my plum. Ayun yung small garden na ginawa ni Glenn. Hindi siya green thumb. Aren't you, Daddy? You're not a green thumb. I don't know. Yung iba namatay kasi nagbakasyon kami sa Florida. Wala nag-water. At that time, ang init-init dito noon sa Canada. So, there you go. Pero yung iba nabubuhay. Ayan. Yung dapat yung cucumber. What else did you have in here, baby? What else do you have in there? Yeah, he doesn't remember kasi didn't put a name on it. So, yeah. Dito ako sa barbecue nagluluto. Ayan. Ang dumi ng ano. Kahit anong gawin ko. Siguro lalagyan ko yan ng ano, yung ano yun? Vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, at saka baking soda. Ang panlilinis ko dyan. Yan. Luto-luto muna. Okay mga kapatid, I just wanna show that to you. Kain po tayo. Luto na po yung aking tinapang galunggong, toge, konting toyo na may sili dyan, at ang aking kanin. Okay? Brown rice. Okidoki guys. See you tomorrow. Or whenever. Ciao. Ayoko na malamig na pagkain. Alis na po ako. Bye-bye po. Salamat po ulit. Hello, hello mga kapatid. How are you guys? TGIF sa inyong lahat. Mwah. TGIF po. Friday. Diba sabi nga nila? Yes. So, happy weekend sa mga kapatid ko dyan all over the world. At today is Friday, of course, and like I said before, the 19th of August, 2016. Tapos, time is 6:45 PM. Alam ko late na ako nakapag-vlog. Sorry po. Kasi, dito, nanood kami ng Rio Olympic. At ang laban is Brazil versus Canada. Soccer game. Nanalo ang Canada ng bronze. So, there you go. So, yeah. So, ngayon naman, mag-shoutout ako mga kapatid kasi it's Friday. It's Friday shoutout, you know me. Friday shoutout. So, punta tayo sa pinaka-bottom. As usual. Okay, bottom, Pinay Tubo, Angie, and then, this is from my 12 of August kong, vlog. Pinay Tubo, Angie, and Dan, thank you so much sis. Pinay ako, thank you. Tambayan ni Chai Sweetheart, hello, how are you? I hope you're feeling better. You know, you're feeling cheery and happy. Delante Vlog Show, hello bro, thank you again so much for always watching and always leaving comments on my vlog. Thank you. Pinay Tubo and Angie again, thank you. All About the Bus, hello to Riley. Hello to your hubby, Sisi. Akira Lee Vlogs. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. Pinay Living Down Under. Mommy Cindy, thank you so much. Krisha M, thank you so much. Icy Rose, thank you. Makeup by Ray, thank you, sis. Irene Vlogs on YouTube. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Candy Soledad Mix, thank you for watching. Ang galing nung ginawa niyang collab na siya si Joker from Suicide, the Suicide movie. Tapos si Rora Home Cooking Channel. Tapos si Mile G, thank you. Olaso Family, Julie, thank you sis. Yudenon, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog and putting comments on my vlogs. Thank you so much guys. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Tapos, punta naman tayo sa the 13th of August. Sandali lang. Punta tayo dyan. Tapos, baka magiging mahaba to kasi meron pa akong sasabihin mamaya eh. Meron akong baka makalimutan ko sa utak ko. Okay, bottom, I love beauty. Thank you so much, sis. Pinay Tubo again, Angie and Dan, thank you so much. Pinay Tubo, Angie again, Dan, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Kasi sinabi niya, kasi nakita ko sa vlog niya, bumili siya ng sesame balls. So sabi niya sa akin, talagang binili mo yung sesame balls. Kasi nag-comment ako sa kanya, vlog, sabi ko, makabili nga niyan. So, yun. Marie and RJ, sorry. Marie and RJ Gumats, thank you so much, guys. Pinay ako, thank you again, Sisi. All About the Bus, maraming salamat ulit, sis. Pages and Polish, thank you so much for watching and thank you for your comment. Jolim Collection, Sisi, thank you so much. Hello to your baby. Hello, hello, hello. And Pinay Tubo again, thank you so much. Geraldine, I lucky mommy too. David, thank you so much. And April May, thank you, thank you, thank you. Joanne Plus 4, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Pinay Living Down Under Australia, thank you, mommy. Me and Travis, thank you. Irene Vlogs on YouTube, thank you, Cici. From Kuwait, Delante Vlog Show, again, thank you. 116, thank you, thank you. Hello to your wife, Edna. Navy Doc Wife, thank you, Cici. Shop Feliciano, maraming salamat, thank you. Mile G, thank you, thank you, thank you. BSEBT, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Tambayan ni Chai, maraming salamat. Pan Video Cyber for watching, thank you so much. Rona Home Cooking Channel, thank you. Charmy Lagaso, thank you, thank you, thank you. Style with Poise, Cici, thank you so much. She's from Florida, yes. Lace Vlog, thank you, sis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I watch your vlog today. Nayami ako dun sa lumpia mong niluto. Thank you. The Doors Palak, thank you so much. Pegas Mundo Vlogs, napanood ko rin yung vlog niya kanina. Yung inopen niya yung regalo, nakuha niyang giveaway sa dalawa. Yung isa si Jemme, yung isa hindi ko pa kilala masyado kung sino yun. Nakalimutan ko yung name. Thank you so much. Abril Mayo, thank you. Another sister of mine in Japan. Thank you, sis. Thank you for watching. Guys, thank you for your comments. Tapos, punta tayo sa 17th of August. Okay, guys. Punta tayo sa pinaka bottom. Alam niyo naman ako, parati ako sa bottom nag-uumpisa. Super Jeepney, thank you for watching. Beauty B, thank you for watching, darling. Thank you. It's Shawnee Boy. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. Also for Beauty B, thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Pinay Tubo, Angie and Dan, thank you so much. Tambayan ni Chai, thank you. Inday Gudiday, thank you, sis. Cherry and Maricar, thank you so much. Inday Gudiday again, thank you. Pages and Polish, thank you. Pinoy in America, Ben Core. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Ben Core. And Makeup by Ray, thank you. Sister ko dyan sa Hong Kong. Living Down Under Australia, thank you so much. Lovely mom, thank you. Akira, thank you, Ceci. Joanne Plus 4, thank you. Nakita ko yung mga niya, yung vlog niya nasa Japan siya. Nakakatuwa. Delante Vlog Show, thank you. Akira, thank you. Abril Mayo, thank you again. Sis 116, thank you again, bro. Mile G, thank you. And my Angel Vlogs, hello. She's also here from Canada. Hello to Alexa and to other babies. Thank you. And Charmy Lagaso, thank you, Sissy. Olaso family, Julie, thank you. And to CJ, and to your hubby, Pinay New Yorker, Jem, thank you. Makeup by Ray, thank you. Lace Vlog, thank you. Team Noche Vlogs, thank you. And Catsmith's Eye Wells, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And thank you for all your comments on my blog. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, that's all my shout out for today. Now naman, I'm just gonna mention to you guys who is the one who joined my giveaway for August. Don't forget, it's not that long anymore. Ilang ano na lang, 2 linggo na lang ata. 2 linggo? Yeah, 2 linggo na lang natitira o 1 linggo. Kalimutan ko na, 19 na ngayon eh. So, 2 linggo na lang natitira. Magsi-September na. Tapos, next thing yun, magki-Christmas na. Ay, bongga, di ba? Ang bongga ni ate. Christmas na kaagad. Wala pa namang alerts. Anyway, punta tayo dun sa mga follow sa asawa ko sa kanyang Instagram. Si Pegus Mundo nag-follow na. Si Candy Soledad Mix nag-follow na. Jessie Quet nag-follow. Nancy Live TV, thank you. Liana Drell, thank you. MJ Ordiales, nag-follow siya. Tapos, si Lovely Mom nag-follow din. Tapos, si Jem, sister ko dyan, Miss Striker siya dito, thank you. I Love Mary 13, thank you sis. Yung mga nag-follow sa asawa ko, maraming salamat. Chai Forever, thank you. Tapos, sino pa ba? Yun lang ata nag-follow sa asawa ko. So, ilan lang kayo nag-follow sa kanya. So, kung sino man nag-follow dito sa Instagram ng hubby ko, is the one who's gonna be entered in the contest giveaway. Ayan. Makikita nyo. So, yun lang mga kapatid. Inano ko lang yun, in-announce ko lang sa inyo dahil meron pang time para kayo mag-join sa giveaway ko. Again, that giveaway is to express my gratitude to you guys for all your support. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat dahil lagi kayo nanonood ng vlogs ko. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo. Thank you sa suporta at sa mga comments nyo sa mga sa mga vlog ko, sa mga video ko, at sa mga post ko sa Facebook. Thank you so much. I love you, and have a nice weekend. God bless you all. And thank you guys. Bye-bye.